We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 1. The tables show the relationship between X and Y for each of two datasets. Which statements describe the relationship between X and Y in each of the datasets? Option A. Both datasets show additive relationships. In dataset 1, Y is 3 more than X. Looking at dataset 1, Y is not 3 more than X. Therefore, option A is incorrect. Option B. Both datasets show multiplicative relationships. In dataset 1, Y is 4 times X. The condition of dataset 1 is correct. Now, let's check on dataset 2. In dataset 2, Y is 2 times X. For the dataset 2 in the table, Y is not 2 times X. Hence, option B is also incorrect. Option C, dataset 1 shows a multiplicative relationship in which Y is 4 times X, which is matching with the table. First condition is correct. Second condition, dataset 2 shows an additive relationship in which Y is 4 more than X, which is correct for the table of dataset 2. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which expression is equivalent to 12 plus 6 over 2? The order of operations in math for this expression is parentheses, multiplication, and division, from left to right, then addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Therefore, F is the correct answer. Question number 3. Emmeline earns $6.50 for each hour of work as a babysitter. How much will she earn for working 5.5 hours as a babysitter? $650 multiplied by 5.5 hours equals $35.75. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 4. The bases of a trapezoid are 8 centimeters and 12 centimeters, and the height is 8 centimeters. Which equation can be used to represent A, the area of the trapezoid in square centimeters? The area of a trapezoid equals 1 over 2 multiplied by B1, which is the length of one base, plus B2, which represents the length of the second base, then multiplied by H, is the height of the trapezoid. Substitute 8 for B1, 12 for B2 to the formula. Then option F is the correct answer.